the online classes. Today we are going to learn the concept of rational number in the first unit. Last year we learned about the rational number. What is the definition of rational number? Which can be represented in the form P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and also Q is not equal to 0. It is called the rational number, a number which can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and also Q is not equal to 0, then the number is called by rational number. So, for example, 3 by 4, 5 by 3. So, all the integers, natural numbers, fractions is also called the rational numbers. And next one, representation of a rational number. Of the rational on the number line. How do you draw? First draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. For example, the rational number (3 by 4). 3 by 4 is a proper fraction, so it should lies between the 0 and 1. So, a proper fraction should lies between the interval of 0 and 1. So, what is the value of 3 by 4? Already you know the long division method, you can find out the value of 3 by 4. So it is not possible. So, put 0, added point, added 0 here. So, how many times of them? 4, 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. So, remaining 2, next added to 0 here, and how many times? 4 5s are 20. So, the remainder will be 0. So, value is 0.75. So, should represent in a line is point here 0.75. So, how do you draw in the proper fraction on a number line? 0. First divide, how many divides? So, 1. Here need not to write in these places. So, 0 to 1. So, it is between 0 to 1 divides 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 equal parts. Afterwards, you will write 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. After 4 by 4 means it is equal to 1. So, the number line of the fraction platter in this place of this 3 by 4. I hope you are understanding the concept already you learned in the 7th standard. So, now move to the next one of the concept of addition and subtraction of fractions or rational numbers. addition of rational numbers. Let us we have considered the two rational numbers 2 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Here these two rational numbers are like fractions. So, we can easy to add the numerator because the denominator are same. So, we will write directly the common factor of 4 and the numerator directly add 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 by 4. That is the answer for the two rational number of like fractions. And next one of the example, unlike fraction is given. Unlike fractions means the denominator will differ in the two rational numbers. So, 2 by 4. So, next one of the number we have considered 3 by 5. So, these two numbers are unlike fractions. So, how did add? So, first let us we have find out the LCM of 4 and 5. What is the LCM of 4 and 5? The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So, LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So, the denominator here first rational number, the denominator multiplied by 5, we get the denominator as 20. So, numerator and denominator also multiplied the same number by 5 and then the add simple and next one 3 by 5. So, which number you want to multiply the denominator, we get the value of 24, the same number numerator also multiply. So, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. So, okay, sorry, even more to அதுக்கு மட்டும் கட் பண்ணணும். Okay. And next step 2 5s are 10, the denominator value is 4 5s are 20 plus 3 4s are 12 divided by 5 4s are 20. Now, the two rational numbers become a like fractions. Now, we can easy to add these two numbers. So, 20 numerator value is 10 plus 12. So, 10 plus 12 20, 2 by 20. So, two unlike fractions is given, you should find out the LCM after calculate as usual the procedure of like fraction. I hope you all understand the concept of addition of like fraction and unlike fraction. Now, move to the next one of the concepts, subtraction of rational number. So, we have considered the two like fractions first of all. So, 2 by 6 minus 20 by 6. Here you should note these two terms are like fractions, but the greater number sign is minus. So, we will write 2 minus 20, the denominator are same. So, directly write the denominator as 6. So, what is the value of the numerator? 2 minus 20, the result is minus 18 by 6. If you can simplify, yes, 6 3s are. So, value is minus 3. So, it is one of the type of a like fraction. And next one, unlike fraction is given in the subtraction 2 by 7 minus 5 by 3. So, here we have considered the two rational numbers are unlike fractions. So, you should find out the LCM. So what is the LCM of 7 and 3? LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. Okay. So first we consider the first term 2 by 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21. Okay. So need not in the side please. Next step you will correct it that. Next step la pananum. So idhila irundhu naan thirumba solren. So here we have consider let me consider the two rational numbers 2 by 7 and 5 by 3. Here these two terms are unlike fractions. So you want to find out the LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So now the first number 2 by 7, which number you want to multiply in denominator? 3. So the same number also multiply in the numerator. After write the symbol, operation is minus. After write the next one of the rational number is 5 by 3. After multiply, which number you want to multiply? Denominator, we get the value of 21 7. So that number you want to multiply in numerator and denominator. After multiply the numerator, 2 3s are 6, the denominator value is 7 3s are 21 minus here 5 7s are 35 divided by 3 7s are 21. Now the two rational numbers become a like fraction. So we can easy to subtract. The denominator is same. So you can write directly 21. After the numerator value is 6 minus 35. So subtract from 6 minus 35, what we get? 29. Is it? By 21. So that is the answer for this problem. Next, moving to the product of the rational number. Already you know well, the last year the very easiest chapter in rational numbers. So now learn the concept of product of rational number. So let us we have consider the two rational numbers like fraction or unlike fraction. So here need not for the condition of like fraction or unlike fraction, because the product is multiplicating the numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by the denominator. So easiest one of the problem in rational numbers of product. So first consider 3 by 7 into 7 by 3 or 30 your wishes. Okay. So now multiply numerator by numerator. So multiplicator the numerator by numerator. So 3 7s are 21 and denominator multiplied by denominator. So 7 3s are 21. So 1 added the 0 because as tens are there. So easy to multiply, added the 0 in the denominator. Okay. That's all in the product of the rational number. We can easy to multiply the product of rational number. Next one of the concept is division of the rational number. Division of the rational number is a very important one. Most of the students missing in the operation area. So everyone listen carefully. So we have considered the two types of rational numbers. So first one 3 by 7 divided by 3 by 7. What we get? The easiest one. These two are the like terms. Is it? So denominator are same. So like fractions. Here division is given. First you want to change the operation. So first don't change the first rational number. Don't change the first rational number. first write the first rational number. Afterwards, you should change the operation division to multiplication. After the next one of the rational number change to the reciprocal. Reciprocal means already you know that inverse. Inverse of the given number. What is the inverse of 3 by 7? 7 by 3. So that is called the reciprocal. So 7 by 3. Now it cancel. So all the terms will be cancelled. We get 1. So easiest one. So in this place most of the students mistakes in these places. So avoid this mistake in this place. Okay. Where we will move next one of that. Example for division of rational number. 4 by 5 divided by 20 by 100. For example, we have considered both are the different fractions. That means the unlike fractions. How do you do? First write don't change the first fraction. That is the first rational number. Don't change. So you can write the first rational number 4 by 5. After division, change to the multiplication. After the second one of the rational number, change to the reciprocal. So 20 by 100, what is the reciprocal? 100 by 20. 100 by 20. So you can cancel these two zeros, and also we can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, and also here cancel in 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So answer is 4. 4 is also one of the rational number because in the denominator having 1. So it's also one of the rational number. I hope you all understand the concept of the division of the rational number. Now last and finally just to recall the absolute value. Already you know that the absolute value of integers in last year. Already we learned the absolute value of integer. This year we learn the absolute value of the rational number. That's all. Value of rational. The same method. Rational number. Why do we use the absolute value? In distance area we can write in the less than 0 and negative values. That time you have using the absolute values. Okay. So absolute value of the rational numbers, say some rational numbers 3 by 7. So absolute value is denoted by modulus symbol. This symbol, yes, this is the symbol stands for modulus of. Okay. So modulus of 3 by 7 is equal to, we get the positive value. All the negative value or positive value, we should get the value also positive. So 3 by 7. In case modulus of minus 3 by 7, it's also 3 by 7. So minus 7 by 4. What we get? Here also we get the positive value of 7 by 4. And then 3 by minus 7. This also we can write on as 3 by 7. This is called the absolute values. I hope today we have learned about, just recapitulate about the rational numbers, and then addition and subtraction of subtraction product and multiplication of the rational numbers, and then absolute values, and how did represent the number line. Okay. I hope you all understand the concept. Thank you, students.